Today we have a 2025 Subaru Impreza. The problem with this car is that the front right door actuator does not work. The customer tried to fix everything by themselves. They even changed the wiring, the door lock actuator, basically everything possible, but it still doesn't work. So first things first, we're gonna open up the diagram and check it out. Here's our right front actuator. If we look at our wiring for the motor, one of the wires, it goes through a 10 amp fuse. And then also, this fuse is linked to another motor, the right rear door actuator. Let's see if that one works. Let's try locking. That one's still unlocked. It's not changing, but this one works. So we have actually two problems. Two motors aren't closing. The diagram said that the fuse for the two actuators is in a fuse holder on the left side of the dash, but we can only see the regular fuse box here, and it's impossible to see anything anywhere else. So we're gonna have to remove this front lower cover and try to find the fuse holder. Took off the cover, but did not find any fuse holders here. However, if we take a look under, we will find a smaller white fuse box. And it's hard to show you from here, but at the top of it, there are 3 fuses. To get access to it, we're probably gonna have to unbolt this one. Unbolted the fuse box, and moving it aside is just enough to find that sneaky little fuse holder. Our diagram showed that it was the central, and it's dead. Now let's replace it and we'll check for correct operation. Alright, let's see if it works. Lock, unlock. This one works now, as well as this one. You can see that cable moving. Okay, awesome. Looks like the customer couldn't find the fuse, or possibly didn't even know that it existed back there. That's basically it for this video, and see you soon.